It was a beautiful day across the Central Coast today. Here's a look at our SURFLINE camera of Morro Bay, a mix of sunshine and clouds throughout the afternoon. But since it's St. Patrick's Day, let's take a look at some of the green hills in areas like Highway 46 and in by Michelle. Here's a view of Old Creek Road. You can send us your photos on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So today our warming trend continued. New Cuyama reaching 63 degrees this afternoon, 55 in Morro Bay and 56 in Pismo Beach. San Luis Obispo reaching 59 degrees today and 60 degrees in Goleta. This warming trend continuing through tomorrow, despite the fact we have some showers on the way. 55 degrees right now in Paso Robles and Santa Barbara, 53 in San Luis Obispo and Santa Maria, and 51 degrees in Vandenberg. Winds right now 15 miles per hour in Santa Maria, 10 miles per hour in Paso Robles and Santa Barbara, and 11 miles per hour in San Luis Obispo. Now we are expecting winds to be on the calmer side as we're heading into Thursday morning. Here's a look now at 1 a.m. Thursday, just 5 mile per hour winds in Paso Robles and 2 miles per hour in San Luis Obispo and Santa Maria and 1 mile per hour in Lompoc. Then as the day progresses, we do see these wind speeds start to increase. And that's when we start to see some shower activity increase as well. Here's a look now at 6 p.m. Thursday. We're at 12 mile per hour winds in Paso Robles and Santa Barbara, 5 miles per hour in San Luis Obispo. You can see this blue color here. That's showing elevated wind gust activity that could be upwards of 20 miles per hour. So we do start to see some cloud coverage make its way back to the Central Coast later tonight. Here's a look now at our weather model. Some areas could see some rain as early as 1 a.m. tomorrow morning, but it's looking like northern San Luis Obispo County will see the first and most rain throughout this system. Now, what makes this different than what we have experienced just last week is this is not a cold storm, so there won't be any rain associated with it. In fact, it's sucking up a lot of subtropical moisture, so that's why we're continuing to have that warming trend through tomorrow as well. Here's a look now at 10 p.m. Thursday, still seeing a majority of that rain in northern San Luis Obispo County. But then by Friday, those rain bands start making their way down more towards Santa Barbara County. However, they won't really get all the way down to Santa Barbara, at least not that much. So how much rain are we expecting with this next system? Not a whole lot, unfortunately. By 4 p.m. tomorrow, California Valley, the only area with measurable rain. Then as the afternoon progresses, we do start to see more rain accumulate, but we do expect the most amount of rain to be north of Morro Bay, with Cambria looking like it's going to receive the most rain in this forecast map, a little over closer to 1/2 of an inch, I would say, and then about 1/10 of an inch elsewhere. So not a whole lot of rain and not really doing a whole lot to raise our rainfall totals. Here's a look at our percentage of normal rainfall over the last 30 days. Paso Robles only about 17%, just 30% of normal in San Luis Obispo and 31% in Santa Maria and Lompoc. So forecast for tomorrow might see some shower activities throughout the day. 67 degrees for your high in Paso Robles and Santa Barbara, 64 in San Luis Obispo and 63 in Santa Maria and Lompoc. Down the coast in Carpinteria, we're looking at 62 degrees, 65 in Santa Ynez and Los Alamos. In the 5 cities in Nipomo, we're tracking 64 degrees, 63 in Arroyo Grande and 62 in Pismo Beach. In northern San Luis Obispo County and Avila Beach, 60 degrees, 58 in Morro Bay and 56 in Cayucas. So our extended forecast will show some shower activity continuing into Friday. Then temperatures start to cool down and get really gusty by the weekend. You can read more on KSBY.com.